What up, lads? Let's make barbecue sauce. So for this recipe, lads, we're gonna need homemade ketchup that you guys can watch my other video where I teach how to do this one. So homemade ketchup, maple syrup, mustard powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, roasted garlic powder, soy sauce, red wine vinegar, and liquid smoke. Need to be careful with this one because it's really strong, right? And basically we're just mixing all together. Let's start by the maple. It's always good to have this measured because you don't want to make a mess every time. Go for soy sauce. Vinegar. We go for all the powders now, so mustard, cayenne pepper, paprika, and roasted garlic powder. And the final ingredient, the liquid smoke. So we're gonna add just a drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna mix and then we taste if we need more smoke. Now just mix all together. And easy like that, guys, we have our barbecue sauce. Give a final taste. Wonderful. Now we just transfer to a jar. Keep this in the fridge, ready to go. This is something I like doing as well, so I have these white labels at home. So I put the name of the sauce or everything I have in the jar, because after I have like too many jars inside the fridge, put the dates that I did, and that's it. You're safe. Always label your things as well. Now, just keep this in the fridge. If you're doing any veg, it can be on the grill, it can be in the frying pan. Add some. You won't commit a mistake. Don't worry. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, just write down in the comments below. Click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. If you guys want to have access to all the recipes I'm showing here, just go to my website, get your vegan ebook, and you have everything on your hand like that. Description of the recipes, ingredients, pictures, everything on the palm of your hand. Easy, easy cooking.